All right, Carolyn, great. I'm gonna ask this question. Great question. So Carolyn, what is the healthiest way to cleanse your system or colon? How long is the healthy colon cleanse? This is a great question. So I'll tell you, Carolyn, a couple things. Number one, I have a couple of videos on this. So I will tell you, first thing, you don't need to cleanse your colon. Yeah, you don't. That's literally the job of what your colon is going to do. That's what you need to do. Your colon's job is to get rid of toxins, to get rid of the bad things that are there. So any product that's telling you need to cleanse your colon, what they basically have is they have ingredients in them that are pretty much laxatives. They're going to make you just take a lot of poop and a lot of diarrhea. And this is what's going to happen. And they also have ingredients in them that actually may not be helpful for you. You may have caffeine in there that can jack you up. You may have more thyroid hormones that are in there to cause you to have more diarrhea. So you don't need to do that. Here's what I recommend. So number one, keep in mind, you don't need a colon cleanse. If you really don't. You're not going to build up toxins in your body if you don't cleanse your colon. That is literally the job of your colon. But if you're having issues with constipation, that's a different story, because there are different ways that we can treat that, whether it's trying over-the-counter treatment, maybe it's changing your diet, which, like I said before, the best diet that we can find for your gut health is a plant-based diet, and by far the best evidence for that. Maybe adding some magnesium, adding some wheat dextrin or prebiotic fibers, or even a combination of fermented foods. These are ways to help naturally get your colon health better, but you do not need to worry about getting a colon cleanse. You don't have to worry about that. It's a great question. I'm glad you answered that, because a lot of people had this question that they asked me about this. I really want to address this because I don't want you to take anything that's harmful for you, that's going to cause you to have worsening issues long term.